Glory.
To anybody, but show business in the Philippines is a business that caters to the young market, the very young market. Ilang albums namin ang ginawa namin, walang halong sama ng loob o ano, sinubukan namin talagang i-promote. Patupugin sa radyo, hindi kami umabot doon. Hindi kilala na maraming tao ang laman ng mga 4 o 5 huling album na ginawa namin. That's a clear indicator. Wala pang sisihin, pero yung merkado, parang bata talaga. So sayang naman yung ginawa mo mga album. Pero hindi sayang kasi naka-record. Hindi na nabigyan daan na sumikat katulad ng mga ibang awitin na ibang ng kabataan. Eh hindi na nga kami bata. Di ba? Tapos pag nag-show kami, nakakapagtaka. Pag nag-show kami, pag tinanong namin kung ilan ang first time nanonood sa amin, maabot ng 60%. May mga lugar na 70% ang first time kami pinapanood.
When it's over, it's over.
On their 40th and last year, expect a Valentine concert like no other.
We talk about love, we talk about people falling apart out of love, and then we talk about people falling in love again.
It's 1,000% performance, a great repertoire that took 40 years to make, surprise and delight, and entertainment like no other. I don't think anybody entertains the way we do with 100% OPM music that's original.
I think that's one of the reasons why our songs are very appealing kasi universal yung mga theme namin.
However, their farewell show sometime in May is not final yet.
We decided na mas mabuti pa, gumawa tayo ng magandang paalam. Gumawa tayo ng magandang paalam. Hindi yung like all artists, parang naguno na lang, diba? Now, actually, hindi pa kami sure kung ano yung final show namin. Kung isang malaki ba, katulad sabi ni Jim, isang malaki ba o a series of small concerts kung saan kami nakilala.
Aminado sina Jim, Buboy at Danny na may kalakip na lungkot ang kanilang pamamaalam.
Siyempre, mabigat kasi you're talking of closure.
It's a journey. Yan ang buhay. Ang buhay talaga may patutunguhan.
Pero life goes on, no? Have each of us individually done the best that we can in our lives? Ako sa tingin ko hindi pa. Marami pa kayong madidinig mula kay Buboy Garrovillo, kay Danny Abier, at kay Jim Paredes. Maybe as individuals. So this is a phase in life that comes to an end. The music goes on and on.
Mabuti yung tapusin mo na doon sa punto na you're at your peak. Kasi hindi naman kami bumabata.
Separately though, life continues for each of them. Active pa rin si Buboy sa showbiz. Proud father naman si Jim sa kanyang sketcher daughter. Both of them practically based in Sydney. Habang may mission naman si Danny sa Mindanao.
Maybe that also able this thing to happen kasi like me, I like doing, I do television shows, I do other hosting jobs also, and I do some soaps.
I enjoyed my 4-year stint as a teacher. I might even do that. I felt very proud when I saw my daughter. When I saw my daughter's sketches all over TV, at nakita ko, sabi ko, talagang artist din anak ko.
Now that I have something to do in Mindanao, nakikita ko yung all the possibilities, nakikita ko yung neglect na ginawa natin dun sa Islam yun. So if I have some life in me left, and from all the learnings that I have had with Apo, I get the feeling that I may be able to contribute something. Even if it's the last thing I will do, I've always wanted to do something for this country.
Jinilin, okay rin kaya sa hula na si Mark ang kikilalaning ama ng kanyang bebe?
Oh my God! Sasagutin yan dito sa Chika Pika!
Marami kasing humuhulang si Mark Hiras ang kikilalaning ama ng anak ni Jay na si Alex Jazz.
Hindi naman natin alam kung malay mo someday
okay na si Jen, naka-recover na siya, di ba? I mean, sa mga lahat ng mga nangyari sa akin. Tapos, kung hindi man ako, yung sabi natin, may ibang dumating sa buhay niya, di ba? So, hindi natin alam kung ano yung pwede mangyari.
Ano naman kaya masasabi ni Jin?
Yun nga, hindi mo masasabi kung sino talaga yung taong para sa'yo eh. So, siguro time na lang talaga. Si God na lang makakapagsabi niyan kung ano ba talaga, sino ba talaga.
Up later! Apat ang 6-star kumpirmadong buntis. Oh, apat sila, as in 4. You know, dito nyo lang makikilala live. Kaya, abangan.
Up next! Starstruck Vibes, Avengers, Princess Nell at Chef Cadayona may hinanakit sa mga naiwang survivors. Kung ano yon, alamin natin mula mismo sa kanila. Live na live. At mga chismis tungkol kay Lovie po, si Maui Taylor nga ba ang nagpakalat? Susunod na yan, up next in English.
Ang meron sa kanila, wala na po akong kanalaman doon.
I try not to let anything else affect me and the people around me.